Good afternoon. Namesamo Akwaba. Emra Ofie Kwasumedi so Adom 106.3 FM. And then Wednesday. We could April Bosume in the Tosso Dunai. The 14th of April. Facebook no so. I reckon. Famiko Facebook why. Now and then person be our question be. Moi ya wo mo obosu we mu especially na sa pofo eje oni moi ya wo mo sa particular month ye April bosumi adena April mo obi aka no se de ope owu a ya o month so ye o me April de la no ye o me April April azana April ene bi nka April April for one person much say. Oh yeah. O birth month there was April. April say. Oh April. April say. My girl, I mean to say. April. And what is April? Eti Pacho join me on Facebook says here. Now enche bia videos of our time and you bet sure video aircraft. No na ti free sir break up him say bebo enwumre nonsia na ye tie kase ebo. Muni abema Jerry Justice na motime nkan. Ewe Pepper Bills wa African wa Jamestown Jeko wa as usual. Eti so say animu na aircraft. Quickly, Mami Monram our Facebook says here how much I'm out tomorrow. Now you need come out a crowd. A very day. Okay, Chikata Alberta on Facebook says our grannies say April. Not just say you're not. Now Adena Munim Sabonana Namuka April Aviti Esinam. Or say brother be steady. Stephen Fosu says, Braja, good afternoon. It's a beautiful brand new day. Yes, of course. And then David Insia. I say, hello, Braja. I am watching you live from Eba Community 8, Vienna area. Me check my phone na. I'm boss no good say. That tell you tell me where I'm a chopper. Any David in his squad nina. Afe Cecilia Amwa or say blood jelly. And ya muso amuka jelly no muso this amuka jelly. It's good. And then Abigail Famia also on Facebook says today is my father's birthday. That's Mr. Alfred Famia. And brother Prince Famia's birthday as well. Please wish them long life for me. I just did. Preslaw 24 says, April, right? Now, there, I'm a granny, April. But will be fine, boy, young boy. What's your birth month? April. Mr. Mesa, please wish Mr. Casti, aka Mirrorhead, happy birthday for me. Open you on Pesa or your Mirrorhead, it says, Moanina Ho. Evans Kwame Aglom. Also, good afternoon, Jerry. Greetings going out to my family. especially my 3 daughters, Paulina, Kayla, and Excel. Community, the last girl, Elsie, my wife, Hilda, as well. I love them all. Okay, Ruben, Timoli. I say it's because of the April Fool. That is why they say April and April. And you're not April. But I mean, Mabusiani, Mabusiani, or yeah, April. Videos of our time. But you can't for Flora disposable handkerchief amount. Way a better than cloth handkerchief. Reasoning then say, oh, cloth handkerchief ne show botum no. When your wife didn't say 50 to now the paper bet watching it. We are best on the show botum. Oh, yeah, hitsing. No one signed their paper. Oh, boa, oh, the paper. Oh, co wash on, sir, oh, the paper. Bibia, 18 years, use Flora disposable handkerchief. Yeah, and a kitten with a camera and fit into your pocket, your handbag, or your purse. It's we back what the year your baby are no disposing of on our corner. Time be out to say, Bibia, hygienic. Come on. Neighbors when you're there, or market baby for bulk purchase for Delta Paper Mail or 0243 0330. Wow. Now immune system no one buried and then it's me a quentia yarwa ahudo nyina de ama esan boa and normalize blood pressure wow heart or kidney related problems no e free o na fe so kra no abon ho ban say stroke ni diabetes ni ade oh away why ya djuma ketua bi ate obre ni nyina abeko e available on Mampong and afi Asumdwe House ebri obenya bi o Dodo pan for any chemu ewon koko wo se wo hwehwe Angel Dominion Bar Center obi abetchere ho yes our phrase 0543 158 195 and our phrase 020 429 6449 Yaka obasi masi hu asem a ebia besi ne wonte mamen kai wo kakra enya ade bia enwanwa bia asa AGI and a Ghana Standards Authority na kabom no more introduce you. The woman say your person pum de hon sem ni gina brane e bre wo munye brepa. Enu nti say wo come market now cut off food product. Share food product ye de the Obasi vitamins and minerals. Yeah, e good for your body pa. E the mo bibia especially enu anmo me. So choose Obasima. Stay healthy and stay strong. And I say, I'm for a happy birthday, Emano. Give to my amount. Good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Please wish Inshraba and Nim Nyako of Bergen International School, Community 20, a happy birthday. Okay, baby, I will be joining me on Facebook. I'll be God. There's a year, brother. You, Facebook is here. Facebook is here now, and I check videos all the time. And I didn't check cry now. Young quit anymore. Young quit anymore. Sharp. Hope that's the correct pronunciation of your name. I'll say tree version no April na omkano April no enu etwi enye no kre obi obeka cho say April etwi bia obo anye no kre months ni na e oni nyina adi emu ba ko ene wo openima eye wo ebo ye wo ojifo se den ene ye wo kita wonsa ini twi din now ebranim eti eye brofo na no mo no April and April note no ye mo room na share videos of our time. Me patcho he. And now videos of our time now you know. Mami ni can clarify the answer. As I want sha obi to eye advisable say when people want to rob you, especially if I told you power, not join you on Facebook, especially say only pakuno be rob no if that person is armed, it's your to the day now and ye cry na and ye blows you na mubeto to ana the obe wini but the oba okura weapon and ye say or ye armed into ye say armed robber okura tuo bu okura knife what I say na hye no ho ya odi bedi wawu eno no na the omuni say in a situation where obi be obeju obi bi no e advisable say saafo no oni omo pepere so. Are you getting my point? Oni nem pepere so wo de obetimi ahwe nipa ko mostly anom type cover mo anim ne ade but if it is such that obetimi ahu nipa ko na steady na later obetimi identify no kra na wo de yesa neja na ade ko ode ko no onfanko recently yet say shooting incident be taking place for Takrade later on in Chechemu if police for na catch by and didn't want to give in you know yes on almost struggle and then almost shoot you no as I shoot you wife so can no it is so bad advice and say obi air attack us na onipa na armed okratu anasa akudie bi obetimi de adi wawu a onkwa no at that point no is very paramount than whatever valuable so now so to that courage kakra etina me kasa me clarify ho no na wan ka say sa advice na me dey ma say obi be attack we ne nkoko da bi but to that aya courage kakra especially while she not me say we there emu ya era shop na okratuo na watwe etuo ewo shopkeeper no eso say sales na waye ni nyina no ongada sika no fama no no fanko enti hu say ya ba bi o mogigi sika na counter bi ho abrantia na say or jump over the and the woman in charge of the shop no catch say it is money you want enti kwaswa na gina chiri wa me sika ni na de amount me gidigidi bia don't come here though he was holding a gun and the woman pushed him and the guy went back and ogina ho and ampa woman no twe ne drawer and no yi sika no mosesa sika na gum in the course of gathering the money now or sisa de akono and he left the gun on the counter and woman no so steady ogina di ohun se etuo no ho adwo table no so penos da bi ma me so me sharp na me fatuo no and no mom yes smart no fatuo no de kira branch so hey dai we ya me fire wo e na me nkroko ade na ebetimi ato unsa ya na etuo no ubetimi aya o pull trigger na enya ade ebeto because that time no wa lock no etu say yi na we ansa na fe de asset ebeto eti branch na anim say na etuo ya so say hwie si counter no back na wa bagiri tuo na fi woman no ho no na woman no so chen say ono so nim tuo dum tie wa pe no so twe kra na ja okoki tuo no a little courage let me save this situation but she video no this is the beginning where eti ha na woman ka chen say dabi go back sika na pa wo da wunu tuo ni na agina wa mebie draw na mayi sika na ma enam pa wo da hwe video no oyiba na mpa na ntia fe oyi sika na not the go use can not why is can basa good table no so and a branch na for polythene bag do or prum na polythene bag na no be any what says shade o be probi akuna wia no o de edi to echi so de we dwane o ko etu o gada avim no ka say no etu no kroko ye be ewia se pa de ewia se nya do nim za de a de be ye obi ne nye odi mika odi adwane fi shop one man now the person e say sometimes edu ba bi ebetimi say dem di kan the best way ne say obi ba so ba be attack you at gunpoint whatever weapon you kura no a obetimi de adi wawu no odi be robe wa abrante no wakata nanim na ayesa wa chef for the Christmas for che bi ni ade na ode ade akata nanim enti o jampe asimu kura na chese nka waba be wia maami sika na no se da bi abrante wo de gina chi o yiska na ayesa o trauma no bi sa enti o spread agu counter no so enti abrante no so e gada sika no na ese e na ono so lusu guard na oja etu no to counter no so, and that was the end of him. Today say maami take advantage no it is me sign back na me beji me too to a backra ba be champions inside wo kra no agina de na maami se hwe wo ka se minim se de too yenye careful was an medical catch us videos of our time ye enye se bia ye asre sa bi ni ade keka but ya na esua bibia film sometimes a little smartness kakra betimi a service situation but it will be a bass or ba be rob no abusua ene ne nkonko pepre so e na wo kina nko eye tu a o de abo akun na a little smartness bi betimi a service situation na eno so enye bad sa said the mami ye ya utimi a service situation ni we any videos of our time and they bro wa don 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station of fear crime so jumedi so and na KA Casti aka Koku Arinade aka Openi Bakunya Misha and then so there a Wednesday papa na fufuo ne abenkwan bi a ya afide mi hu se de ekone ade a entansi se pa se me hye white na me hwe nkwan na ebeyim entansi but ene de abenkwan agumata de je one na ma se eje de
so ni say kan
be hwia me sare abenkwan ni mu yo Mrs. Azuna ye abenkwan na de de aye de me nye shose biaka we do be go do kumi akwa se me savings and loans and they what they about say your more kase say we a business owner we here loan na what they basika anywhere worry no more Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans they are affiliated to a advanced group in Paris such as yeah tintimu ye pa they are committed business no betimi ahwe na I very successful wa bra ye more competitive without any prior savings wa bra wuhia sa abosia ho akire na akopa besia ne aka kire se unsave wa hantie ntimi ma there be enter our Advanced Ghana your mobile banking service a friend or mobile bank other transactions near the idea betimi atwani na direct from your Momo account anywhere our bra extra cost bia enka ho obetimi visit any of our 20 branches across the country and now wa call your website www.centeragency edinkita ho oh you toll free line so 0800 355 355 na ya bon komo kama Advanced Ghana growing together oh yeah makuma mudafu papa bio papa bills worry be beki bonu nyum no mam why be mam na me fam pam anum na nyum no de imo de one ankla to de na mentu aso nkomanim e pa chotie ene hihye ya aba ne se Goil Ghana America me see fuo na ye togu ya ka mu no ene na o ka twetwene mu na ebu nipa na engine se fuo bad fuo na ye togu ka mu na de eye treated ones na eno no ye de additives bi mu ne niam frafra mu ama che se aye papa sa fuo ne de ya na ne boarding etu be kono no price ne different and no so stations are okwa obenya bi but other fuel stations no obekom send dey bi ni ha ti je se auto ordinary Goil for atrase din ehun se da bi Goil de Ghana for de anti ese etimi de bo eye treated one papa ni bi e na auto de agu kan but auto no at no extra cost and to say other oil yet good fuel near the man wall. What is it? It is the baby and not just a wine and Goil. We a superior quality power and the high grade fuel papa. fortified with the friendly ayedema at no extra cost. Etibodia neto eye fuel if you go. We should they are available in all our fuel stations across the country, not selected stations. Yeah, Goyle, good energy. And you know, brand new Becky Bonnie. Onyami Wahoda, taken from the album Edze. This one.
He's a living God. He's the God of miracles, God of impossible orders. He is my rock. Ancient of days. He's a living.
I say, Brother, but the for dedication, man. Why? Happy birthday, and come on, Mr. Besmark Adoma, ECG branch money of daddy from your wife, Mrs. Perpetual Amponsan, ECG customer care. Apabami. I don't know why. Today happens to be the birthday of one fantastic lady from the Ophir Kwanso WhatsApp group by name Abena Sewa Efriye. May the good Lord continue to shower his blessings on her. Okay. Good afternoon, Brad Jerry. It's been a while. Please wish Nana Sampo for a glorious birthday for me. May God bless his new age. Wifi Evelino, the unbreakable. Away Strasbourg or France. Pacho okay Club Minerals. Club Minerals. Who said now you were Club Orange, Club Muscatella, you were Club Tonic, and now Club Soda. Ding ding. So say your friend of Coca-Cola Club Spaletta. So say a Club Spaletta. Club Spaletta. Now, yes, some a new look. The so to me a vibe no woman, yes. Feeling no woman, yes. The more day year. Say Club Minerals. A Club Spaletta. Papa. No mom, same great taste now. Team say more de come pa. It your name. You were a Club Spot. So go ahead when you want to refresh yourself during those delightful moments. Grab a bottle of Club Spaletta in 4 different flavors. Nigeria Club Spaletta. Still your favorite Club Mineral flavors. Well known as Omar Sterling of Winnipeg, Adansi, and an old student of Asing in Suta Agrek SHS. Wishing you God's blessings and more wins from your school son, Young Gold and Amino. And Chemu Champa, Uncle Emma, Honorable Akosia Frima Ose Opare, Chief of Staff, Kachan Semidana Sepa, Efi Ochre, Agunankum. Say, I don't know. And a happy birthday going out to Dr. Michael Osebuama of the 37 Military Hospital Medical Department from Bishop Yao Owusu Ansan. Papa say nyame enka ho na onhyira wo na ondomo. Amo awoda pa. So we know 5 times better than standard definition there. And yeah, me patch out. And Kwasasa TV now we use name TNE. Yeah, can't HD. Yeah, can't say cut off TV for. O box now. O de air share TV decoder now. O viewing experience no about best. Clarity and quality no. Oba benyana 5 times better than standard definition. They are available in the nearest authorized dealer and now say any electoral showroom. Bia mo maya fana baby 242-439-872. The trial further details. Happy birthday going out to Priscilla Pokua Amponsa of Dansuma from Prince Obri. And the message here says, may God bless and grant you all your heart desires. Nyame Insha Bebre. Good afternoon, Jerry. Long time kindly wish Helena Abuajiwa of Akim Achiase a happy birthday for me. May the good Lord bless her new age. From Benjamin Atiga. Ben first 9 in the war tema come to 2. And greetings going out to you, Bonana. Bonana bibi abako de nyamenka ho. Kindly send my heartfelt birthday wishes to Nana Sampo for J. Good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Kindly wish my last baby boy a happy birthday for us. He is 15 years old today and in a JHS 3. We're Able Academy, Community 25. Myself, Daddy, Amanda, Theo, and Janet. We want to say we love him so much and we wish him well. And may the good Lord grant him all his heart desire. Amen. Mrs. Okai, any the Okai family sent in this one. Abusan Chebi Ababa Sha someone edit you on for an area. You really up 420. I mean, we show speedy recovery. The dinner dimpa. Maybe to say, Munhai, or Mukubi, Munhai. All kinds of born in Kaka. Or baby, from Bohum. Our Germany. Na lorry accident to be a wenya pa, when she be a chese, Nana Enya. O sheka no pa na ye chiro say onipa otika no survive ya we yembe show na asanse rade say ono a we yi ofisi akwanhie we ati say yi mu de aka bi e be ma ho aye den na ho asasisi hu so bia nyame emfa enka ho na onfa no mo. We wishing you well, wishing you a speedy recovery. Nanaya where you born Germany. From myself, from Mama Late, from in fact all of us wishing you well. Senior me and come right. And we thank God for your life as well. Becky Bonnie. Oh, Masajai. Obakunkunya Baku. Now, Utimi call program one. Now, Oku minister sa. In your tone, suffering pena or Babuana, you can show for Chido Bocona. Wakota keyboard nature. Where's our catch on so Mommy Mike Bakwa? It's obo keyboard ni na or say back in the wife. Hey, fantastic couple. Hey, Mr. Jojo Bonnie, oh, you're fantastic. Abuja, your barber shot somewhere due on for old mediation. So stay tuned. Na yini na yen teenager. Yemfa enkan ho. Na answer na yen kan for royal drinks ema unim say royal drinks there. Yeah, near bon samra na say you go like am, you more the pa. We know drinks for fra. Casapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company akofa diaba. You were Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, and a Royal Cocktail. We know any the they are available in a shop near you for just 2 cedis 50 pesos. Open the door now. Our phrase 0262 351 251 and a 0272 133 373.
With me and Jerry Justice on Atum 106.3 FM. Kwanyame tete botanyame no oda sena
Afe MTN and a time about center. Yet yes, some way did you on for a few Kwajumedi so I dom 106.3 FM. All right, so and come on now, ye dino. Aye tiawa na mepese obeto boas na wetie ni ye esan se menheda enchichi mu enkwachire bibiri sa straightforward ebebo ye ba o say life is so uncertain and unpredictable that you wouldn't know when you close your eyes forever. So when things are bad, remember, it wouldn't always be this way. Just take one day at a time. And when things are good, remember, it wouldn't always be this way. So just enjoy every great moment. No one knows of what lies ahead. And when the clock ticks its next beat. Tibia die tuamu potin. Eto da de wani da se beba kra enye na bebo akwam. De wa na so won da kra no bunwa na fi ba bia na santan abefo asetrem. Nanso obi bia niwa wonim se me de eda wei ene da mekatamani a menti biem na chese mafiri atiasefo asase isu akọ. Obi timi ka se me to ade across the street aba otwa akwan nim no wanse antwamu ama back biem pau. Enye campu na moto abono no wawu. Na niema anko yi a ose kai na hye no so se enye se ya na be ya kosi ase edan ebre no besesa. Enu nti kakra bi obetimi aye no ye bibia kakra eno buni beka se take one day at a time na ehwe se de obra no ebesi akwafa ena fe ekoba se eye ebi enei awufu bi apai se wudi a wo enjoy any, so you are not even thinking of tomorrow. Kan hu se awufu no empai ntoa so saa kopim so obefi ate asefo asase izu yo enne na wanya no funya found left and right now boom di nemum kan hu se enka hwa ebi enne na waban wo so odio enche bia ne yese to aba o ebi ana dani akwa that side o ti de wai ro ho anya funyafu wudi na ho fa bi. The assembly patron said, no matter our situation, the basic bia no yen say it will not last forever. Obi nim da clock no ebre no tick echo the next beat no said the basic akwafa. You don't know what lies ahead. So live your life such that if it regret emmemu, it's as simple as that. Nyamen kan ho na onnom ye no moayen edu ba bi a kire so paso na emuaye den na oman akukudro ne ntimi fa nyina na yenya ni da so oni mu se eden ye besesa ma mere papa beba na mere papa ba so ne ye di so a oman ya adwemu na ho ne yenka hunu se eno so amaye no emu nyame nka ye ho yemfa so asedama ye proud sponsors na fi yenkoye nim Door Master and Pubiman Paint Depot e pacho pretty simple. Yes, brane beji joy between 5 and 10% discount. Our quality doors here as well. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Doors ranging from exterior steel security doors, internal steel security door biano. Ebi available. Our swear ho. Oba painter from Muanswa. Your partner with News Paint. Your Euro Standard News Paint. Your acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coat. And they ye de hihia begu kwan so aye frɛ no paint now pay later. Oji paint no dia paint u dan no echi ya spread ya ma no betuatua no kakra with no interest. It is schools, hospitals, government institutions ahodo, offices ahodo, churches, individuals, real estate developers ne ade munyina on the Accra Kumasi highway. If I say ujina Pubiman to booth wa when it ya shop no. Phrase 0542 745 222 and our 050 021 2447. The last time I check here, you see, paint now, pay later. No, bogus for ne Europe, ne US, ne UK, ne ad. Yes, so mo pa na say na Ghana for there. Mo amuti kromu ana. Ma so mo over ni so mrana. Mo mari bi na later abetua. Abrochie for no dia dia gum. Say omo system na so abrochie yan twade ntua ka outright zawo. Na Ghana amuti ye ne adi bia ba. Betu ogu no. Mama abrochie for na na say Ghana. Opeso boys can and one no cotton at once. Waza, mon kwam pretty simple. Kasa mretintin bia opebia. All you have to do is to pay for the first minute only and the rest is absolutely free. In addition, obesa enya 50 MB of data at their browser for free. Just dial *315# to subscribe to MTN Free After One now and stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Finally, Time Herbal Center. Papa. Ode numbi appetite na akonina ebesaba opese speed up healing process na ntempana dia KNG Herbal capsules no numbi for general well-being ebeba ho si hu so ntempa King's Walk Herbal Repart Ventures Ray Jones and Azidos Herbal ni na Okanshi Drug Lane afi Ekus Pharmacy By Class Larry Wodama Pharmacy ni nyina wa Shaman and our boremu ewo ye Tribe of Judah Castle Albania bi Farmer Trust Wager Junction na onso bi o yes sir Fred Time Herbal Center on 0244 417 66 FON Cube na fe says Scott and me be my around the world in 5 minutes with Sir Scott. Meantime, Kwame Eugene on this one. Show body. I love it. Show baba. Hey.
My busy no me boom boom. You rolling with a rock star. No me kum 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 kum. Shaking for your heart, Juliana. Shaking for your heart, Maria. Shaking for your.
Like this, body so bad, make us speak Japanese. Chihuahua, ginger, the flow. Baba never seen that before. My life, child, you for slow down now. When you program that, how you move your hand around, not the pole dancer. The most sought after. She only cut my eye, but I refuse to talk. She make me what I find. See, killing no big issue. I get beauty queens down in Mogadishu. So talk better make her feel. Or make her get to step in if I need to. I get busy. Wait now, I'm just playing. Small play, you want to turn out to rough. Bad guy, Kwame Eugene.
My African lady, show body. And you woman casa Kwame Eugene Obama me kwa. All right, so it's about that time. Around the world in 5 minutes. With Scott. Scott, Brad Jerry. Scott, Brad Jerry. Jonah Bibia Moko there.
Yeah, Kenny.
But now it has Bibia man fine. All right, right. And then Elko.
As I'm not also.
Elko anymore.
If you are my pantine.
Sir?
Roger,
yeah.
Oh, your bar. Not your legs.
Yes, a big crazy. Yeah. Oh, your bar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next.
No, your legs.
I want to cry, Ramio. You open your purse, not your legs.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah.
Surprise him by getting a job, not a new boyfriend.
If
yeah,
and that's so crazy.
So boyfriend ain't mean to ya on honeyama.
So couldn't mean oh boy, won't mean to ya the cost of fixing your hair.
Yeah,
men kasa kope boy for. Buana na onu mum nyadwuma papa yin.
Na wo ba ni mum wo ba sin 7. Rajeri media wo somebody kind. Yanko Niger. Niger,
yeah.
Yeah, I'm a capital. My main
I don't know I did. And the Ukraine beggars who said dang.
Messi. I'm a capital. Near me.
Okay.
Yeah. Na arahusam we see on say. Enkwala
Eja.
Yeah.
At school no.
Yeah. So
while they were in their classroom learning
they were trapped. So 20
20 of them.
Me na me catch.
Wow.
Tina me say me dey arehosem na e sha ase.
That's so bad. But I didn't know want me escape. I want me
Who say how the thing happen?
And the classroom them some doors room today be a stampede because or something.
Yeah,
but they were rushing out of
enye asem ketwa. Arehosem pa. Yes, statue bi a ewo Italy. Ayera ya che papa.
Standing now one statue no.
Who's a Italy for who's a ancient who's a tower pa.
Oh there most of the cities no. Those things need the hopper.
Shop will be our Belgium.
Italy could be Belgium.
Omako who shop. Omako who shop will be our Belgium. Actually say Oma ejina we no ho twa mfoni omo chese da bi enya ha ne jina bia so omo tam
e dey akọ. Oh okay.
Yeah, baby I state we Louisiana. Akọ da.
Eno ano no. Waka ni
Louisiana. Yeah. About to dwa
waka Louisiana e dey that's a din kra me say me poku. Na yesi akola no. Chese bie radio no na Jerry Justice ama wahala e wo fi ho
sa Louisiana
ono me say ono Texas na yes say or the radio no me tifie ina no omo tonkra say na da ben na me ba na confusion e koso na
obi nidi hey etino minya
no nya to say Justice never no pa na just see afa bibia ma
shout out
the didn't know me say if I'm presiding elder na magic details ni
yeah
enye easy you
Louisiana ya American as me was state ba kwa wo United States gradually the ababe to dwane say eye boat ba ko a capside
boat
yeah a boat a capside
1806 penny enyam
yeah yetimi
12 na aka no we
no ni asem no omugusu ehwe Louisiana wokọ ha asem a esi no Hindu ewo India for omu di omu festival na nsin ya na braje omu festival
etina Easter no du ye na hwian kosoro na mani haje pa because you tugum say the Christmas you tugum aka be ha adwen pa
almost say 184,372 new cases ebra omu di sa festival
wow
emba etimi fa asojafo empoechi omo mkute 20 bombs omu timi fa omuchi a na wa okuta laptop my Henry my sister ya Henry
oh says God not just out there we are chill crowd
na radio obi okwo okuta 20 bombs kra ma fa omuchi
oh man
na wa okuta laptop it's above broken heart.
Nobody is above
broken heart.
Say nano ade ye na ohini bi ohini pompa ena say all these years yet on it then you 30 years gra na get no fair
and then you be
actually say ohini ya na den ya dem bia wato safre na
and then that's no what
time say abran TV so ayewada opeso ware abayo na the abayo no pine boy no so ICU na say aware no koso and no dia to opani ni say ontimi ntua so ne nye de one ne ye no na aware no so maso it is some few months aka before they get married in the open come on wrong akwa jade ba kon kala so na ba no so de bi esi na be onyimpo eni ko to jogu
o pache o hini mu I hope so nikeje
Devi
ene ya makin
Ofia Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adum 106.3 FM.
Them crazy. We gonna chase those crazy.
This is Jerry Justice.
Adum FM, all the hits and more.
Didn't my people? Then you heat up all my corn. We gonna chase those Chase them crazy. Chase those crazy till you don't stop to let up until you hit it. Start to little, start light up, stop, stay loaded. Build your penitentiaries. We build your schools. All for our love. Telling us of your God above. We gonna chase those crazy. Chase those crazy bumpers. Chase those crazy bullets out of a yarn. We gonna chase those crazy. Chase those crazy bumpers. Chase those crazy bullets out of a yarn. Here comes the con man, coming with his con plan. We won't take no bribe. We've got to stay alive. We gonna chase those.
Okay, so it's about that time. Say you see kunya na yede irrigated sports. Etwasoma our dome 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. And it's yes, no. Yabema who knows a bequem.
Well. Please, irrigated sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect to grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing alligators sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Good. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. That they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because miti
they from fast sports one. T irrigated sports. Wadum 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba. Towazi. Kwame Akwaba. Good. And Pomo to say. Enumuani we. Waye. Obri.
Wagu.
Akwaba.
Yeah, nia.
Na Pomo to say.
Unyankopon adumara kwa.
Okay.
Yana the obeyan way.
Obebi account.
Odi bezo.
Obebi.
You say na dia. Ele da kese. Ti say kwabrare baro de touro pepere ni.
Obeso eso.
Opania badia kwa na ba sa.
Oh, nka and one
can go crash on mama.
And come to back and we now chase one.
Oh, deputy. No, you people, you don't understand that song. And no. If the sim is saying, I ain't saying, that I'll be at the bottom. The woman is saying, the woman is saying, oh, deputy, why am I saying, the woman say,
I had a computer in YouTube.
Just a oh, selfie. Are you crazy? Otherwise, right?
Opening crack and say, Nipa Beze, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you know, more about that.
There was a barco and tobacco.
Not just a song.
Say F5 and Marco into your hand, you know.
Baku will be on Baku.
Baku, there's already here.
Hey, I don't pass out your mouth.
Hey, we are saying I wasn't saying.
Oh, Obiamo, Obiadi.
I'm not money on a more training.
As Aboko Baji at Chidia go to two. What? At the Chidia Sunitakra. Why didn't you go to?
Another day, that's from Co. Ama me and the Yanama. Yet not every day, so a Casama amount for TV so anyway. I saw more when he check a broso as seen the way that I know. Because some Raymond Yanya, dear Bia, it's me bow. Unkabishim, the Doka Woma. It's in Yakupo, nothing at all. That's one come. There's a Saudi as Dakasia. And Truntrun as the PSC. Now, Yakupo. Now, no cross out to some crown. I saw Topono. Oh, a transforming. Now, Fred Adolfo, Momobeti, Abanom, Tronium. So, hope it drew a penis of fast cafe on country and the first Canadian and Cotonam. And then, I say, I'm for a day, a bad day. Na because we papa we want the birthday don't comment na on the basa who the birthday I said who knew the birthday you but so nyum na nyum unya kwanya so papa na birthday chase o America ni that sound come and post chase me out of junior be mu ano ntenge me say Yakobon say on to nkonam and that be am ka say aye already my ni ya breso emfaso esan say sade nkoko ya that be no say what is obi afiri my ya be say oh the plans na am wo nyina no aye den aka
eno ne ka say obin owu ama obin anye de
owu ama obin
Yamisha
Odi Jaisa
Jai wa how
Jerry said, Yamisha.
Amen.
Me pai mo de se Yaminyo kakaka.
Amen.
Afidan se se na Olivia tutoyi.
Amen.
Adema ko to do de se aya yesi ejebi we ejebi tiasi ana comfort tiasi. Se o papa wu chao na wo so di jibi wu tuana wa papa. O papa and you never did Jagan and you told Wamana Kadem. What demonstrated to say to you were a Japanese Yapa Empire 14th. And it said, the Viadano, Kosovo, they can say, Yamoyam Kwakwano, Emissia say a celebrity 90th birthday.
Amen.
As of Fuji, Yamisha. Yeah.
Onsha also. Me da si bebre.
Catcher Jerry said, "Sit on the party, yeah. So now, don't take the CD. We will do back say, yeah, to the somewhere."
Go do my team now.
Why na mo 1.5 bi mre me na me fanya de why?
Yeah, 5 bottles of wine.
Aye.
Opening fufu.
Remember drive out the Diaba.
Mate.
Opening here wine didn't fufu.
Okay.
Sada opening ga say dem say na dem
odampe.
Also
na wi ana de opening
agro. Ewia ofro sa o be hwe nkura obi. Na ede anyum na ebo zaza no.
Ayobri abuafo.
We China. We China.
Kojo me da si bebre.
We China.
I for crack the better. Na de
uri won.
Na bi onyama no.
Okay.
And happy birthday my sister credit kwadu. But me ntune say say be.
O de beto nyum.
Ma me nua so be tuma nkrofo aya na emunye. Ba me nua de my sister koto kwadu antema san ho adi. Ama me minimum atoso a metimi ato anyoma ma me nua. Once again, happy birthday to my brother.
Kwakuna onim se ene eye 14th of April. April bonds no.
Na bi twen. Ye beto aso.
Na me pese
to boss.
Madam Mildred Atung Klebiaba. From Dallas.
Yeah.
Meka yin Nyankopon Israel.
Oh, okay.
Mrs. Obin so meka chen Nyankopon.
Amen. Amen. Now they have many say wa haide. Mobosumi. Then I'm watching Chumsa. April. And also
February so.
Debbie. And no cry the end there. And the end noir.
Omu chapa. Pau.
Baza. When divert at the end, me see April. any April no eno ye de na be bom
ejina school akọ ye na be chere se no we si abon
na ka April de April class se wo hwa de omo ka April da bia ya wontie wo hwa spell ya April be ti den gro be sim any April
fu ni ntin bi ti sa atai wo oye April born
na atai ni kuni ni den
eno kase ba ko se kwaku bonsa wono so April born eti wo
April emunye
emunye
obe ya akra kase kaswafo na akra yo mo April
and the Reverend Atai
Atai so sa
oh asani awo na se ampo for jena nkase omti eti se di no awo go say and sound one way no who say the kind of people
omudia
akuni ni wom ani ntini wom
sofo Bernard Dubai o se me we show mano na ayi na so o China you tuntimi fanto ayi kakra na yedi perfume no na obri o se me kan che o se said they are all wrong announcement na Diana na ni jehu pa na ade na ade si on so many junction ho
si bebe appear
originally me imagine say Saturday dey akbe bi kakra me don kuna ofiri mu no omna so Saturday eduada so me baduma obani honam kuro ya enye easy za disem de next week
okay next week
yeah next week
Saturday and Sunday
me je enioma want to be next week Saturday
openi say me wish you happy birthday man na me sure say
next week Saturday we week o say trans
party
o say me kan sure say ye be kasa behind the scenes o ya mesabo
na opambo kra bonyo
ya saponyu mitu mama one kwa kuja CD
mebo ama me ron
wi ye bebo aye minua na sample for je nyum no so kakra ansa ne yakọ
emu de wen na sa munya ne hefo na agbama wi
me bo amaga na mpanimfo ene Ghana timamufo ana bebo aye bo kakra bi ma me ansa na wakọ se oyi sa lectures no so da mo ne fufu bia ne odi na woda ne ya mo kakra na chese ye nche no so abrese mo no aye afatum na eboma no ane se umo manije umo manije say news na wo kan say ye de na wo ye nti wo say na de omu nkita wo nkura happy birthday no
dai and somebody
obi are wrong ayi akwapem brother wa wrong video bi aba fufu obi opani dipa jeze
no obi birthday no didi self no
me wo so amaje ko
opani nkese Majestic Phones Accessories and Information Center. Teshi Chibleo last stop. Was now say happy birthday in common. Obatenenka.
Na hefo na mo ron fufu yi. Gay ka ho. Sechiwa na ayi
na ye ko Prince Odomos.
Odomos papa yi na mu him fufu no pa. Aboso kan choba
achepa
enche biasa
sabe na covid mai
sabe ko kwasa kakana wan ye aba
sabe na covid mai tina ko no dem
oni ko fun taba ai bebe ni wo hode na so semba ko bi edi so etwagu a ase edi ho nkomo na Nigeria for the minimum so na ye o si yan ne ye o ntimi ewu
ntimi fa yen toto mo sa ade bi wa o kan wa kwani
ya se o mo na
Nigeria de
ye no mo nse
Nigeria de
ane se omo wo aye states na wo omo wo boxing akansi bi ya omo ye interstate boxing competition ane se afidie one de hihye so na fuma na aye team Lagos ani team Ogun wo state ba conference Ogun State
good
na ya kontokwa ni we na just say team ni ba ko ka lose fight no na referee na also na another team no de abufuo at see ring ni me the whole even na boxing na adani boxing mo usia de obetim no air from video no adom online o w de ato home w.stream and I say Jagu.
Nana Aisa or my happy birthday, Rebecca. Becky police ni. Rebecca Yeboah.
Jagu just afraid your boss no.
Na say the free for all.
Free for all.
Momra Facebook no so na monhwe. Hey.
You go go bisa say you free for all bank I want to choose no.
Me ya fa mbọ kwa kwetena me kam na me go free.
Na bi so obi anhia ni mi aba.
Na me nyɛ saa.
Me dey me fa je ko.
Me.
Ya mo sa agro no.
Ade odi ohona nya agro ketwa.
Magu agro no.
Anya sam ketwa wo. Box na ya bo wie na say ba ko lusu no. Nti Nigeria de na me bisa say omo na mo yi o.
Na omo kro santo ko bitimi si aso dem nyina o frɛ no.
Na na say Chris Wado so ochiam.
Oh na say Chris Wado.
Say ene me fa no ansa na.
Ko ye say kene birthday ko.
Because no ofie.
Wa say ko beba.
Mama na say tia say.
Na ne maame so ochiam na.
Until agree.
Say o se na no say de ade ye no. Say anka wanye yi ama me da kakra anka e be ha dwenti no.
Na wa do dey fa shebre. So otra play mu ba na dey tia na.
I play mu na da in my life. Me da play mu da in my life. Say me travel all night ni na akra mani gusu sa akopim se mesi for.
Me mi amani ada kakra.
Ebi say bebre sa no mo ye no. Me tro man ba ko bi. You know.
It is over.
Esopa. Onu say obeya aka kakra bi na oye yi na obe bodo na no.
O mia.
Heavy pa.
Eno so ye.
I am say this the views of the law na be grind slowly me. What is that adage? I don't use the views and not the cross.
Yes.
It cross slowly. But when it catches you,
Ground slowly. Slowly.
Was it
Slowly. Ground slowly.
Slowly. Ground slowly.
Ground slowly. But definitely.
Ground slowly. Slowly on part.
21.
Dollars.
Or say men can show some more happy birthday. And Michael Osafo champion. On also say or show happy birthday na
Sammy Jones. Enyame na me di birthday no na say. Happy birthday Obi.
Obena I lost man na me kai. O say enche be na kura pimpolo. Ne ba ono ka say di ne ba na di ne birthday mpo. E na woni ko twa mfoni a.
Oyi na kusu kuma chira kwada.
Oyi na de jemu e ba afoforo no na wo twe protest. Uncle Chinkra free internet no so kra no was say one shut down court first was say one shut down and post 2 year it was posted unintentionally several from here na later you build your say no Instagram pa say be fa picture to say and one post 2 there one shut down there ya nyintum enti ya no transfer drum no ko say odi for there say odi for there and emra no ni ubedi dem go be antimi sentence no as I say yes oba be ko prison I just say on him and answer
perception. And I'm sure looks in that.
Brofuna, me renema. Say Abia, unze obi one more. Nipa na. Say ase. Even when you are pregnant, now you situation na home. Na fe ye share the gravity of. You know see na. Your baby betimi do akọ. That obekona obekwa.
I don't know carry na bomu ho. Meboa.
It was a special day, you know, still I or baby, they will have a place for them.
Me who baby says, I remind you.
Nana Puku's what to cry. See, I come here Nana Puku US.
Yeah. Meeting and catch up.
I buy you a fair below.
Now, real woman in
the patrim.
Indeed.
Say, you better tell me,
watching any so.
There be now all 2 3 patrim.
Watching any so.
Walk away, baby.
Uncle Dano.
Say ya, near the 2 of my own. Say ya, baby, son, edit you now, Uncle Dan, and then I didn't put the arrow. I dare more, Ghana for. About say ya, I do some rare you so the ones that must start here. There you are, Uncle Dan.
So, boys in the
oh, Master Jay.
Masa. Obi enso ma bia o.
E mani bi bebre na de o manu guso. And this is not right. And then and obi anka be fa no. Why is it that the Lord afa dey phone pe ya na kwa wi afa musa jiro so ononko da no da.
Me se woni mema na edi o.
Agas de mo adin mom.
Afa dey ya say emra no ye aduma so musa so ononko da no da.
Kwaku, de be kanya ne say mrantie ma ba wa edi agro social media. Fa afutuo bi free the asini ya se da bia ka se amra ni ho na amra ni nya ode a bo se amra e wo ho na menim de ati a we ni de me hu se nya first time o yes pictures ni benie na mom akwada no a e be ka ho no
nkono na ye na de asen ko bia mfa no
ho the problem because se o ko Instagram na de ye wo girls ni bia o ma dwuma mo ya ne se oni de o yi o mo so mo ye nude
Celebrities.
I'm the nude models.
My wife, I don't know, dear Kakramana, baby, no, no,
nude models.
I was the same to you.
I'm going to share on Facebook, no. My comments. What is going on inside the Sunday was studio. I'm a buyer, so I'm to cake to for so I'm a panic for office carpet.
That's something.
Yes, no. Yes, no. Yes, no. Why? I'm panic for carpet.
And I say, Sabah kaya black in friends said, any grapes no.
There be grapes in it.
Where the blueberry?
Blueberry.
Green cherry.
Where green cherry? Because there are some green cherries, some biscuits, and some red cherries.
Green cherry, blueberry,
and some quail.
I know you have red cherries.
Yeah. Ices are dripping. Your friend saying orange dripping.
That's right.
Dripping as well.
Prophet Alex Chu.
Okay.
For the husband of Sisi Chun.
Yes, Prophet Alex Chun. Prof.
God will change your story.
Prof, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Sisi and the Andrews one. Me wamba ye papa.
Sunday, my father's house.
Sunday, and of course.
Sunday, I'm home.
Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
Me yare na kabeko.
Me se wo hen.
So for uzo ansabe tie.
Wo hen.
Enti ene mo fa we so na mo fa ron happy birthday nyum preko na ono ne de na me wish na eli akra ya.
Na one ono so WhatsApp ofie kwan so ono so wish happy birthday.
Mo fa sika mra na won twa cake ni en to happy birthday nyum preko na. Oni pay me cake.
I don't catch.
Oni pay. Hey, edi asem brani.
For our brother. So let's go. One, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. What a musician and Casanet here.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you now. May God bless you now. May God bless you now. I don't hear say akwashe po.
For you want so na to nkra free
Germany
no. Na hu so ofre.
Enti abusafo ye twa.
Kwame Nyabotre.
Patisserie. Hannes Patisserie. Hello, my God. Yes. The best comes from the west. The best comes from the west. The best comes from the
west. Sister.
They say king from Castle.
Boom.
Oh, second. Yes. That's why my shop is
the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit.
Any problem?
Those of you watching us live on Facebook, some of the things you can only see them, you can't eat them. Do my phone at the
oh, Monty, today. Emeka was a wet you to me and also some come, but Ochina, what's why obey me? I don't know what meaning. Oh, how?
Well, so I don't know Nana designing happy birthday. Very, very beautiful.
It is beautiful. Beautiful. It is beautiful. Kwame atra pizza no so etiefo. Oba de atra pizza no so.
Na ya na mase.
Omo de ba ma hu na wo phone so na omo de ba.
E ba ha kra na opani beka. Na
o de aba dirende.
Abrante bi be atwamu oti adi de ya cha no nto ba. Wasi o. Ba ye hunu. Na opani mi de me na asibi o. That's me hunu hwe. Nti we de birthday na aya tani na di na chira to yi.
Ayo, cake why penny serious penny why. Me, I did next year and you problem why.
Me na me there. Me there I was me watching.
When just I was no one know you. O ka there can I there. I was there.
Na nyame ani ni cake we da pa ni whiskey be for off.
Hey.
Cake ya ani owo no. Ayo owo ya na so owo.
What's the name?
Oh yeah.
Na say
no for baby.
We never go be.
And yes, I it's not always the case. Akwabia ono no wa America mamu a yakase obi giribu pa dia na ono na odi mu akwose pa. Uyi akwaya odi positive skin buyer ni da so ya. Only the next person na otimi kika ni pa dwin bo mu. Aya something similar to the sea from here.
One.
Aha, we are Papa we Bernard Madoff. Or a mastermind. Oh no, I'm can't use a mastermind of the policy scheme.
That's right.
Now a branch here at one and one table. With the 82 years. You know what I mean? Because I said, when they get to know
yeah.
82 years and Sana. Now, I didn't cry a few minutes. Papa, we at me that if I want to invest close to $19 billion.
Such what?
And they know, yeah, and say, Robin Peter to pay for. New members now, Airman.
Yeah, the money.
What you want to car? What they man about?
So they papa you are here.
So you know me investigation.
Oh, Zana papa no. See a movie heading.
I need just about to say where you know the fiancé. You didn't say you had the idea.
On the fiancé. Boys by mammy for any papa for the year for Scavagisky. O Connors body was a body. A body what you might do, what you do. Now, I got you.
I would be 2 years and then. And I was few more. They say, quiet, now maybe I didn't want you in airport. He said, when I get you one pampadia, maybe I feel I'm not
no, cake in a buyer almost see free cast one. Who's a man for wrong commentaries that cast so I could your bomb with him. Do you want so much as a cast? So I saw dance you. I saw be a headquarters in Ghana.
The whole Ghana.
Mo.
The whole Ghana.
Mo.
Who the one for our counter
argument no Fabra. Ampa
the whole
Ghana. Kaswana sorry what party say wako America honor Christianity.
Also na mall of France what the whole Ghana.
And I met you say
amu central region.
Let's Kaswana central region. Eti mu amu ti mani esi Kaswa force no. E de mbe ye bia ye mfi mu.
Kwaku asama to aye otoko player. Au free Brazil ba Fabio Gama na they can no e bi so to Accra House of Folk. And they say the next match any Italians be born. A branch I'm not sure that Benjamin Afutu want to me AC a kind be.
Yeah, why Rasta be na.
Yeah, Rasta for first.
Na ha passes
I also footballers are.
No, okay.
Upon time they do.
Anyone here?
And also say footballer.
Be kana be boy down. We shall say. Asema be kan me boy.
C'est boxer.
Tu dois dire
Patiko komlemle.
Masa mama say ready bi, mama ready bi. Jeko won picture na fatwa na won hwehwe na. Ah, wo so ko no kre.
Eno se boni ama unfumpi won. Football ma.
Champion. This guy has been very instrumental.
Because I got me out. Who is who?
I know they. I know they.
Yeah, at the end say what the yellow cards. And I a friend of one no 19 years. I just say an unqualified player is a player who has received a caution in 3 league matches.
Who has received?
Yes.
And you received.
Max
who have
received a caution in 3 league matches. The matches are your boy, when you're yellow card number come out, it is a quite trade.
88 your mass I feel.
A very crucial encounter because a couple of people I could lose or as good in Tino. Yes, I win to stay in the top 4. That's why you have so I call league in the Aquaji. Major players they say on fan show with say be away a foot to Emo Bintino, a be out of form there be. Actually, assign players are assigned with Brino. Obia come with honest strength. Obia
a foot to a senior, and it's a foot to a Timbo. On
Facebook or also. Monja foot to that.
Football idea. As not for no players of warfare. One idea so what do you mean?
Oh, there be no great. And they money for
now. I not say, brother.
Oh, picture where they say where they. They go there to there come on. They I don't know but Kwame they want to know site ben no no. I know they Dabi share the picture here je go there to
where make up
in the course of action over ball no you try.
But we there outside here young photo and about on the field of play.
Akwaya make an answer man kaso or a beauty contest. It's a footballer our ball. You need to tell me I'm first time.
Okay, Jeko, send for Bacono, other pic, young on the field of play picture no so. Now, young fair no so enka home. Now, young has a day. On the field of play, Nasa when trying da. Oh, Kwame. Focus out to was here. When trying da. I can say me PB me can.
Sad na de tie. Teacher futu sad na de tie. Say me yeah obo dia na me ka say. Brant o hero be pa brodwan here pa. We can now say very yi to so.
Oh,
yes.
Afutu.
No.
Thank you, Afutu.
And a footballer.
We ain't got kickboxing. Who's the new to be head?
Elvis Osayado.
Mamma Zorokin, Mami Tuchaman, Son Frimpon.
Yes,
me Tucha the man. We saw surprise. Now, on a for one. Ne boat party, biggest boat party in Europe. On the sponsor.
Waka say entry money the entry na. Around here Elvis Osayado. What you some call tie and die face. Ube you what?
Mure munya botre ye yen say I can say. David.
Na big blue no oda ho na.
Yellow cards.
What's yellow cards? 3 yellow cards in 20 minutes.
You go ni we mu so play Japan na no mo to mo. Seni ko mi mi ana no ye wish no ko hwe n'anim a obeja mi a.
Na kotoko player bi no oye left. Wenyini pa boko da na shego. Ko zama no picture on. Uti ko na she. Na I do benefit. Asama so kwabere de she Hamburg nana. O se men kan cho se o ma happy birthday. Nti nyame adom na se covid ne ko. Na be pie mo hamburger. Any birthday no be din foforo.
COVID no so dey across Hamburg dey ko. Pasa ko Belgium.
Papa na make an kotoko former player no. O two corner straight na be shepu mu. Na hu nanimu a.
And on your friend every corner is a goal. Okay, enti yeah na happy 60th birthday to our mother. And all we've got to say No, and all we've got. Okay, Auntie Mercy, from your children, Daniel, Michael, Mary, Sinesta, Enu. We love you to the moon and back. So landed. Now, Yabama Sofo Akwabana, Ansana no. Happy birthday to an amazing woman, international. And this one's come from the husband, Reverend Prince Menu, your children, and the entire Streams of Power family. See, we love you dearly. Now, Apostle Augustine Smart. Also, and wife, Mrs. Rita Smart. Omo epiem ha e wo studio ha. Na mini ba ya mama kwaba. Ya mama kwaba. We dey we resi ana yenim so bisa aha na egu ana mo de abepie so awie anwumre enti ya mama kwaba na because face mask no na so san wachiri aya na em se adwumadie bi wo yanim na no atwin so ye nua be ma na ye dofo so na na woda enti no ye ba ne nsrahwe mu a na ye dwumadie na wo yanim so ho ana mutiu na ye de ba ye ba so a ye se ye we si na na say a very happy birthday. Good. Say I feel we na fie we say and very meaningful. Nice. Na shanya midin konkra ni onyam. Amen. Na said yesu bowu adan mu abra ya tutu mu no. Yesire bibi e friend unhindered access e de man abrabo. Amen. 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 Yeda sepa. Unhindered access. Na we there yeah no kra nka yeah so ya irrigated so anu na wo dia be pie mi na said the worker say dwumadie bi di manim na em say 25th and me baso 25th and a book launch and patcho book no din no na fe my details ka krab ni sorry so background of Apostle Paul. Okay, background of Apostle Paul. Okay. Eti me patcho time be na be baso 30 AM anopa. Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry time no. Okay, so Sunday the 25th of April. Na ye ka April. Ogu Road. Ogu Road. Ene Presby Junction no ena edi enimhwe ensa eben koko clinic wona ha nti ehona dwumadie ne beba so. Aso ni din na ye de no Kabzeel Temple. Oh, Kabzeel Temple. Eti na nipa the congregation ya beta wachina yetimi apa eye enwoma ho entuma kama pa nti yedase pa so ene ensa yedase okay ya we come home abusia ene na aha na yede besie na ebra no ko akadwuma no bi wachire nti Jerry wish nana say wish nana eye say na be ya munye no mombo ana yibia mo di sisu poke say oh pizza no ho munkodi na ntiana wrong nti munkodi why Jaisu Herbal Clinic and they Jaisu WMP capsules mo medina chancellor de na ba be PRT why monye we no chancellor de na be PRT na mo fe no man if I try WMP capsules to your system, no be as a call out Nina, what me a cleaning now, come on, pa. And I want a Sima lady capsules on so hot, and for hormonal imbalance in women. And you want Jaisun Black Budo capsules on so, and no support immune system, no Emma, or your strong power. Now I feel so no what stroke, or a year Jaisun Herbal Clinic or Ablikuma, Olebu 6 to 6 down. Ghana for so more UK in important say Arabia Tete more, I'll bet me Alfred Dr. Shadrach Abnain Chakwa of Jaisun Herbal Clinic or Melson Kings, UK. What book your appointment now at 21 show. Number no a +44 744 071 0664. Yendo no subenya bi wana techi heba o tema community 1 AA mensa na finim de heba o takrade Kings Walk and a Ferry Patch Ventures 826 3357. As they do from Betboro Yeah, no, Airbuana and Nino. What me a bet in what this car can see a pa. Betbro Ghana, so Tabeda can be a Gemini. Obe signing up, Oko a www.betbroghana. Now what signing up? Now I make your first deposits. Now I place your first bet. Once your first bet is settled, you will receive free bet up to 400 Ghana cedis based on your first bet placed. That's simple. Now so set me account there now code. Yeah, well, a boost, win boost feature. Yeah, no bet me there double winnings, no, on your bet. It's try to more. Now let me enjoy all casino, live casino games. I don't need by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Or say, oh, bet you know better responsible the 18 and patch men bet be. Bet Pro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. As they do and come in boost herbal measure, aka police need a room. Pa. The woman say a drawing no eboa. Now a near my enco year system no net me up no more. And no locate or how be a war system munen wa cleaning nephew the amount. Or the 2x Nina, police nedrooms, no net my tear. A mom system no so ya den. A 2 year infection be about system run and one clear now I free. For any show more Kings walk about. Afe Ecos Pharmacy, Wedama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Health Alert Shop at St. John's, Afe Alternated and 115-948 and 0246-208-496. There is also a Royal Drinks. Yeah, or a wide variety of refreshing flavors. Yeah, no bet me I enjoy. From Royal Apple to Royal Cola, as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many do on sa etimi aka.
Open Gangnam Style.
Yeah, trust wako anymore enche bia no. Shanso say fella ebeba wako mu. Ba se etimi ehu nwum kakra na ade na bibia so etimi ko yi. Rashida in the UK say, "You're wishing an answer and for a happy birthday, man." Okay, you what do I say? Okay, so April Bosome and Trina and I'm a friend of Furisu. You made us be pray, Mama Dura from my breed, and I send it by Ofurisu. I'm going to say Aprano, say a tree, a debe, a tree. Yes, in tree, Ofurisu. Timo Moka, April, and Aprano. Challenge guy, crowd, April. I say, today is my birthday. Let your host announce it for me. Kweku Boahen, Deputy National Communication Officer at the NDC. Eti Kweku Boahen, happy birthday to you. Nyame Osha na onyo kese. Bibi eni aya na de atofo mboko wa edu. Okay, we also say happy birthday and come Hana Apia of Oyarifa, Mr. Nyamiche, your husband, and then your son, Ishra Buampo, Nyamiche, Jay. They all wishing you a happy birthday. And the message here says, "We love you." Yes, I trust or say on this great day, please help me wish my sweetheart, my gift, Mrs. Gifty Boache a happy 40th birthday. The whole family shares in her joy, and may she accomplish all her positive dreams. Prince Boache in PRO, Ministry of Trade and Industry, and a Sunday way by. And a happy birthday, so and come Madame Nancy Owusu Menu. May you live to be 100 and over. From Bernard of the Multimedia Group AS Sales and Marketing Department. Bernard Meton Kache na yene action. Okay, we so say I am Love Vesta Afari. Ofio Council WhatsApp group member. Jay, please wish Nancy and for Jay a happy April Fool's birthday. Agwari utimo de papa. Eno na de beka ho sa no e na eye den. Okay. Happy birthday Uncle Emma Joseph Kumsen from Tel Aviv, Israel. From your lovely wife Ajua B Kumsen and Hilda Uswechan. Absia tell nafe yanka de akanum na yewia yasan e de air freelance so abeto so ansana ya sori so kra.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Yes. Oh, I say, you know, when I'm for bench. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Go slow. The Mazy cement. Action for pizza in the Mazy. Yeah, I am Chinor Hawaii. Me a funny no more bomu kur. No baby Surayam no kuno kulogolic. And yet Jaisu WMP capsule. And yet Jaisu WMP capsule. Yet is the Aircobe. We am bathroom Marija Wunanum Papa Brown Sanawaba. So a constipation I am Chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, but William so way. Hey, you Fibiaro. I am Chira. Two houses sumo to plenary you from a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am Rebogo. Young Fanafana Macha. On time upon a we am go fine. No Bibiara reason. San Jaisu Yabaklik away Jaisu WMP capsule. I can do a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Umami Yapanua of Fumigiano. Unya Bemanua, de Pia, Gina Fonson. Hello, I'm Rosia. What fascinating Chibia?
Dabio, Mimpe, wait a minute.
What down for Noa? We didn't wait to memoir. De Pia, no Coca-Cola Catwa. Yeni na yeni mubisa, nenso omuniwa, ne piani diasisa, en Kenya braye kabum, edi Coca-Cola eji yeni, FDIG edwadin kratu yatu.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow, and then offense Swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasawunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dodua dance yes, and Yarua who Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a Honka. No, you want suing, you know, a way of buying every home. And now, Pa, one dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and no Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, and walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia Yato in Ro, at to form friends 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Maja to Musay.
Hello.
Yo, Nazi saying.
Aluminium, Miss Rowe, me here once is here.
That's him.
I send Bisabio.
Meet you.
Yama Musa 9 cities. Yama Kwame so 36 cities. And a Pokian Sunya 27 cities. Now, why should I say here? Sika same pan at the Labina.
Tama, Shakonana, wait there a long equation. Yedika from Musa.
Hulunekos were Busia and you know, for them saying, oh, big a cra. Small Quedica and a pen of the Chawaka. Nasa Wakasano Suchaya. Ubedi Koma, Untiashi. Near some 50 megabytes free. I will be Bibia Obekasa, press star 315. Now for Ubedom, MTN free after 1 and net. Free say, we are good together. Everywhere you go. Kaise, inshi shake a crow.
Umami Niapanua, Ofumigiano. Unya Bemanua, de Pia Ojina Funson. Hello, I'm Rosia. Who fascino Chibia?
Dabio, Mempe, where they meet you.
What down for Noa? We didn't wait to memoir. De Pia Ono no Coca-Cola Catwa. Yeni na yeni mobisa, nenso omuniwa, ne piani diasisa, en Kenya braye kabum, edi Coca-Cola ejieni, FDRG edwadin kratu yatu.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh. Watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go! Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that? Oh no, my guy. With Soccer Bet, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With Soccer Bet, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer Bet, your best bet for sports betting.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
Abra Yeguswa din kabom ekwetia COVID-19 yi. Ecobank ema wa kwanya hodwa. Wodi bet na fie. Abon ho ban na watumi du